Kids! Welcome to our channel. Chroma Kids Creations, let's learn about name of shapes. Say hi to the oval, the shape that's like a stretched out circle. Ovals are smooth and curvy, like the outline of an egg or the shape of a football. They're elegant and graceful, adding a touch of sophistication to everything they touch. Introducing the triangle, the shape with 3 sides and 3 angles. Triangles are sharp and pointy, like the tip of a mountain or the slice of a pizza. They're full of energy and excitement, always leading the way with their straight sides and angular charm. Meet the circle, the friendliest shape of them all. With no corners to worry about, circles are perfectly round and great for rolling and spinning. From the sun in the sky to the wheels on a bicycle, circles are everywhere, spreading joy and cheer. Say hello to the square, the shape with 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. Squares are sturdy and stable, just like the blocks you use to build towers or the tiles on the floor. They're simple yet strong, ready to hold all your favorite things together. Welcome the rectangle, the shape with 2 pairs of equal sides and 4 right angles. Rectangles are like stretched out squares, perfect for doors, windows, and picture frames. They're versatile and practical, fitting snugly into any space with their balanced proportions. Introducing the hexagon, the shape with 6 sides and 6 angles. Hexagons are like honeycombs, filled with sweetness and symmetry. They're nature's favorite shape, found in beehives, snowflakes, and even the cells in your body. Meet the Pentagon, the shape with 5 sides and 5 angles. Pentagons are unique and intriguing, like the petals of a flower or the top of a house. They're strong and sturdy, standing tall with their 5-pointed pride. Stars are like magical sparkles in the sky. They have 5 points that reach out like rays of light. You can find stars twinkling high above us at night, but they also appear in drawings, stickers, and even as decorations. Stars add a touch of wonder to everything they touch. Hearts are symbols of love and kindness. They're shaped like 2 half-circles joined together at the bottom. When you see a heart, it can make you feel warm and happy inside, just like a hug. Hearts show up on Valentine's Day cards, in art, and even in nature, spreading love wherever they go. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.